Welcome, friends and family, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Leanna. I'm Leanna, having a really bad hair day. I'm sorry, I apologize. Today, because it's been crazy here, and I've really not been feeling well, I'm going to make dessert. I'm going to make Samoa brownies, and I've already baked the brownies because it's just a box brownie mix. Just bake it in a 9x13 pan and let it cool. That's the first step. I figured everybody could do that. And so now I'm going to do the second step, which is going to be taking flaked coconut. And it doesn't matter whether it's sweetened or unsweetened. I use sweetened because my husband needs sweetening up. About 2 cups. My hands are clean. Always wash your hands.
40 seconds.
Huh?
40 seconds.
40 seconds, yes. I gotta admit, I don't always do 40 seconds. That's a long time to wash your paws. So just kind of spread it out. We're gonna bake it in a 350 degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes, just until it's toasty. And you might want to stir it every once in a while. And then I'm going to wring it out and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I just pulled these out of the oven. They're nice and toasty. They almost got a lot toasty. I wasn't paying attention. I was talking with my husband, but they're kind of pretty. So, the next step, I am going to take a can of, and if I don't pronounce it right, dulce de leche. It's Spanish. I really don't know how to pronounce it. And it's hard to find. You'd think it would be in with like the canned milk and I don't know, in the baking section anyway. It's not. I found it at Walmart, and it's in with the Mexican food, like the taco stuff and all that. That's where they put it. It's really caramel. It's got, I don't know. I think it's sweetened condensed milk and caramel. It's really good. And it's really thick. So what I'm going to do is put it in a microwave safe bowl. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of carnation it's evaporated milk. I'm going to throw that in there. And I'm going to nuke it on high in 45-second intervals until it's all blended and this is melted down. And then I'll bring you back for the next step. Okay, so this is all melted nice. And now I'm going to take my coconut, which is still warm, and I'm just going to throw that in. I'm going to use my clean hands. It's easier. Mix it all up. Now I'm going to go get my brownies. And I'm going to throw this on top. and spread it around. These are so good. They're really addictive. Huh, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Okay, so I'm going to finish spreading this around, and then I'm going to wash that bowl out. And I'm going to melt some chocolate. And that'll be the next and final step. So I will bring you back after I wash that bowl and melt my chocolate. Yeah, I'm just going to melt 2 cups of chocolate chips in this same bowl in the microwave in 45-second increments again. And when they're all melted, I'll bring you back. Okay, so here I am with my melted chocolate. It took me twice. I had to do 2 intervals of 45 seconds. But I got her done. And now I'm just going to pour it into a plastic bag. Got my extra hands here. I love this little rig.
Where'd you get that in case somebody wants to know?
I got Amazon.
Amazon.
Where I buy everything.
And it's called?
I don't know. But it's under the canning section. Okay. Now I'm just going to snip off the little tip here. Just a little bit. Too much. And I'm just going to swirl this all over the top. So there's only like, what, 5 ingredients to this? It's really easy to make.
That's a good treat.
So very good. Anyway, there we have it. It is finished. I hope you'll give it a try because it's really, really good. I'm not going to put any more chocolate on there. You can drink it if he wants to. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the bell icon. Oh, and smash the like button. Smash that like button, please. I will see you next time. Thank you. God bless.